So, wrapping up my cardio session, and on this treadmill, just got to thinking, and want to just give my little 2 cents on one, discipline, and two, cardio, right? And how they blend together. So the best way I heard discipline put, or how to get yourself disciplined, or be more disciplined rather, mine is still racing, is the ability to give yourself a command and follow it, right? And also, people struggle with cardio because, they find it difficult. But the reason they find it difficult is because they do not know the benefits of it and why they're going through the pain and the sweating and all that stuff. So basically, energy flows to and through you, right? And with cardio, you're developing your energy systems. So all you're doing with cardio is being able to channel that energy that flows to and through you to direct it towards an objective, right? So just think of your cardio as me developing my energy systems so that the right sort of energy can flow to and through me. So, easy way to do this is micro steps, all right? So you want to start off with a nice little incline walk, 10 minutes, 20 minutes. Give yourself a distance that you want to achieve at an X amount of time. I always give my clients the 100-mile challenge, where they produce 100 miles, however way they can get it. We want to see exactly how long it takes them to achieve that 100 miles, and then sort of decrease the amount of time it takes them to get that 100 miles. So if it takes you 3 months to get that 100 miles, we want to get it down to 2, and then 1, and then et cetera, right? So whatever the goal is, just keep in mind that you want to just primarily focus on getting your energy systems developed so that energy can properly be distributed to and through you. All right, that's my quick little quick tip. Till the next time.